What is the best niche for Etsy in September? So in this video, we're going to be talking about which items and which niches should you be focusing now in September. So there's a few things here and you're probably going to already have some ideas, but I'm going to give you some more direction around this. I've been selling on Etsy now for 3 years and I've made millions of dollars doing so. So the first thing that we're going to do in September is Halloween products. Halloween is literally coming up. It's just around the corner. We're a little bit late, even like a tiny little tad late. But if you start listing right now, you'll be okay. So Halloween is very big in mainly the US. And there's a lot of different products that you can sell here. There's a lot of clothing items. There's a lot of like kind of decorations, home goods. There's even a lot of like kind of food products that you can even sell that are Halloween related as well. So Halloween is a pretty good niche, pretty good thing to focus on right now in September. And if you're starting new stores thinking about listing some products, it would be a good idea to list some products with a Halloween theme, spiders and scary stuff and all this kind of stuff. But this is not a distraction from the next thing I'm going to talk about, and that is Christmas. Christmas is incredibly important on the Etsy platform, and you don't just have to list Christmas themed items. With Halloween, you're really just listing Christmas themed items. You're doing costumes, you're doing costumes, you're doing stuff that's directly related to Halloween. But with Christmas, you don't have to do everything directly related to Christmas. So this means it's even better than any other period in the entire, this is the biggest thing ever in the entire world on the Etsy platform. You have to put a lot of effort in here. Because if you put a lot of effort in, you're gonna make a lot of money. So with Christmas, there's 2 different types of products that I want you to list and I want you to focus on. Product 1 is themed items. So the products such as wreaths and baubles and things that are directly related to Christmas that are only going to sell in the next 4 months. This is one part of Christmas. And these products are very good. Things that work incredibly well for me are wreaths, funny baubles. Those are the main things that I've sold previously and that we're going to be selling this year as well, and they work incredibly well. But the second part is even more powerful, and this is what I put more effort into and what we put more effort into as well as a community. So, gifts, okay? Gifts. This is the best thing to focus on, okay? And what I mean by gifts is things that can be gifted to someone else or someone might buy for themselves as a gift. When you're thinking of giftable items, don't just think of those little personalized socks or personalized t-shirts that a mum might give her son. Don't think of just those items. Think of the items that a mum might buy for herself as a Christmas gift, or a mum might send to her son a link to buy for her, okay? So think about that style of items, because those items are the ones that are actually going to work the best during Christmas, but also longer term as well. Because with Christmas, you can get a lot of momentum, you can get the big snowball rolling, and once that's rolling, that will carry over into the 2025 as well, in 2026, and it will keep going forever essentially. Q4 will always be a big spike for giftable products, but February, you have Valentine's Day, you have a lot of other periods, Father's Day, Mother's Day next year. So if you're doing giftable items that can be sold year round, that is absolutely the best thing to be listing right now. The best items to list on Etsy are items that have previously seen success for someone else. Someone else on the platform has been selling something already, and you're coming in and copying it and changing it slightly, doing a similar item to what they have been doing. So if you're doing that, you're pretty much guaranteed to win. It's really not that complicated. But what I will say is there's going to be so many people on the Etsy platform in the next 4 months. And this is the time where you can take a little bit more risk and you can list some interesting items. If you have a store that's 100 orders plus, I'm gonna say risk, put some items that you're not entirely sure that are gonna win. Put some items that you haven't seen on the Etsy platform up. But make sure you only do that once you've got 100 orders, couple reviews, things like this. Because normally riskier items aren't going to work. So it's better to have a bit of social proof right in the beginning with those kind of bestseller items, the easy items to actually get sales with. I wish everyone the best of luck in September, and obviously as we're coming closer and closer to Q4 now, it's going to start getting very easy and also very exciting as well. It's the easiest time to make money in the entire year. So if you don't make money, frankly, you're an idiot and you never deserved it anyways. If you want a completely free step-by-step guide, then click right here or click the top link in the description. I've been selling on Etsy for over 3 years, made millions doing so. There's a bunch of information in those free guides. So click the top link in the description or click right here.